Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Trust Wallet password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You might be well aware that the recovery phrases on Trust Wallet acts as your password so that no unauthorized person will be able to access your wallet. While creating a wallet, you'll be advised that you'll need to back up your wallet, and if you happen to lose your recovery phrases, then you won't be able to access your wallet. So in that case, you should back up your recovery phrases beforehand in order to protect your wallet from loss. From the main homepage of Trust Wallet, go to the Settings button at the bottom right corner. From this page, tap on your main wallet button at the top, and then tap on the eye icon right next to your main wallet. Right where the backup options are displayed, you'll be able to see a Show Recovery Phrase button. Tap it on, and tap on I understand the risk, and tap on Continue. Your recovery phrases will be displayed on the screen, so to protect your wallet beforehand, you'll need to back up your recovery phrases. Simply tap on the Copy button and save it somewhere safe for later use. After you're done copying, tap Continue, and then choose your recovery phrases one by one into the correct order. Once you've backed up your recovery phrases, every time you log into your account, you can simply type in your recovery phrases and you'll land in the main homepage of Trust Wallet. Remember that there is no way you'll be able to recover your wallet if you've lost your recovery phrases, so the only thing that you can do if you lose your recovery phrases is to go ahead and create a new wallet. That is the only way you'll be able to recover your recovery phrases on Trust Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.